When you open the UV editor in UModelerX, the interface is organized to keep everything you need within reach. At the very top, you'll find the toolbar, which gives you quick access to the main UV tool categories. Directly beneath that is the settings area, where each tool reveals its options and adjustable properties as you work. Below the settings, you'll see the workspace, your 2D UV canvas. This is where the UV islands appear, update, and respond as you select faces on your 3D model. It's a clear, responsive view that makes it easy to understand exactly what you're editing. Now, on the right side of the window is the UV tool area. This panel displays the full list of tools inside whichever category you selected, so letting you move through the UV workflow step by step without digging through menus. So here we have the Unwrap group. This is where your UVs begin. The Unwrap tools generate your UV islands based on the geometry you've selected. You can use quick automatic unwraps for fast results or choose more controlled methods when you need cleaner seams or better distribution. This is the foundation of your UV layout. Once your islands exist, the selections tools help you control what you're working on. You can select faces, edges, or entire islands, grow or shrink your selection, isolate specific areas, or quickly jump between connected pieces. These tools make navigating your UVs feel natural and efficient. Now, the quick transform group or set of tools, these tools will let you move, rotate, scale your UV islands just like you would in a 3D view. They're perfect for straightening edges, matching orientation, or fine-tuning how your textures flow across the model. It's direct, it's intuitive manipulation that keeps you in control. For alignment, the alignment tools help you clean up your layout. You can snap islands into place, straighten edges, align edges or elements horizontally or vertically. This is especially useful for hard surface models, modular pieces, or anything that needs clean, consistent lines. Now with the weld and break, these tools control your seams. Weld stitches UV seams or UV edges together to reduce visible breaks in your texture, while break separates areas that need their own space to avoid stretching or distortion. But together, they give you precise control over how your UVs connect. Arrange focuses on packing and fitting. Pack automatically arranges your islands inside of a 0 to 1 UV space to maximize texture resolution. But fit scales and positions your selection so it fits neatly within the UV bounds. These tools generally help you maintain consistent textile density and reduce wasted space. Now, as for the miscellaneous group, it simply contains the export tool. This tool lets you export your UV layout as an image, which is useful if you're painting textures manually or sending the UV map to another artist. It's a simple but essential part of the workflow when you need a visual reference outside of Unity. Overall, everything in the UI is built to keep your workflow clear and responsive. You see what you select, you understand what you're editing, and every change updates instantly on your model and materials. Next up, we're going to start the hands-on workflow by unwrapping your first model and preparing a clean set of UVs.